Question number 5b. If a 1200 watt electric iron is used daily for 30 minutes, how much total energy or the electricity is consumed in the month of April? Here these two words we have to highlight. Daily means every day, and April has 30 days. So while calculating we have to consider 30 days of April. Let's first write the data. P power of the electric iron is given. It is 1200 watt and time is 30 minutes per day for 30 days. And so and after that we have to find the energy consumed. Here T, first let's find T. T is 30 minutes per day for 30 days. So we can write it like that, 30 into 30 upon per day, 1 day. So if we put the values, 30 days are converted into these many seconds. 30 minutes is 1800 seconds and 1 day, this is 1 day, and 1 day is this 86400 seconds. Because to convert, we know that 1 day is 24 hours and 1 hour is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So using this we multiply 30 into 24, then into again 60, and again whatever we get, we again multiply it by 60 and we get these many seconds. And when we solve it, we get, here this will be 30 and we get 54,000 seconds. That will be the time that the iron is used in the month of April. We have the formula P equal to W upon T. We have to find W, and so W equal to P into T. We have the values, so let's putting the values. We get 1200 into 54,000 seconds, and here we multiply this. 12 into 54 will be 648 into 10 raised to 5. This, see here, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are there, so 10 raised to 5, and that will be watt second, and that is 648 into 10 raised to 5 joules. Watt second is that joule, and again we will convert it to 6.48 into 10 raised to 7. Here we give the two decimal here we give the decimal point, and so this will increase with 2 because 2 digits, after 2 digits we give the decimal because we have to use this. And we know that 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour, and that is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joules. So we have to find this in terms of units, how much units are consumed. So divide by this 6.48 into 10 raised to 7 joule upon 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joules. This is constant value. 1 unit is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. This is constant and we have to learn it. If it is given in the examples, well and good. If it is not given, we should know that. So let's convert it into units. When we divide this W with 1 unit, we get these many units, and we divide it. Here 10 raised to 6 and 10 raised to 7. So this will be cancelled and here we get 10. So 64.8 upon 3.6. In this it will be like this, 6.48 into 10, because 6 and 6 will be cancelled and 110 will be left, and upon 3.6. So we multiply this with 10, we get 64.8 upon 3.6 units. and so when we divide this, we get 18 units.